Good morning, guys! Ano tayo ngayon? Linggo. And, yung plano is, pupunta sa Kmart, tapos, Kmart, Kohl's. Walang Kmart. Pupunta kami sa Kohl's, mag-shopping ng saglit, tapos pupunta kami sa Hills. Punta kami sa Hills, dun kami magla-lunch, kasama namin si Lyra, at saka si Tony. Wala, saan yung necklace ko? Parang nakagat ko yung dila ko, tapos ngayon, ano siya, parang nasugatan ng slight yung dila ko. So, kahapon, nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo guys, yung powder ko is the W7 Banana Dreams. And sobrang nagustuhan ko yung combination ng itong powder na to at saka nung ordinary na foundation. So, I will use the same combination today. Okay, tapusin ko muna yung makeup ko. Okay guys, tapos na yung mukha natin. Hindi pa ako nag-lipstick, mamaya na. Siguro pagbalik na namin galing, ano nangyari dito? Yeah, pagbalik na namin galing, Kmart, Kohl's. Bakit Kmart lagi? Anyway, papakita ko sa inyo yung nasa mukha ko, guys. NYX Angel Veil Primer as usual. The Ordinary Foundation. 2.1Y medium yung, yung shade ko. Yellow undertone. And powder is the W7 Banana Dreams powder. Mascara, nakalimutan ko dito i-mention kahapon na nagmascara ako. Kahapon yung ginamit ko is yung Falsies. Pero ngayon yung gamit ko is the Pumped Up Colossal Mascara na galing din kay Maybelline. Highlight is the Essence Pure Nude Highlight. Blush is the Too Faced Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush. Something about berry yung shade niya. And then naglagay din ako ng konti na BLK Cosmetics na blush just on top of the Too Faced kasi medyo may pagka-light siya kanina. And brows. I used something different today, guys. The Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. Yan, o diba? Over tong brow na to. Pero ito, okay lang. Kalma lang siya ng slide. Ito over, oh. Napa-dark. Pero okay lang yan. Hinintay ko lang na matapos tong laundry. Actually, malapit na siya. And then, ano na tayo? Si Dan, hindi pa naliligo eh. Nakalimutan ko pala. All Day Makeup Fixer from Oriflame. Ito yung gamit ko pang set. Si medyo dewy pa nga siya kasi parang hindi pa siya fully nag-set. Pero, yan. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong mist na to, guys. As in, sobrang... Ang bilis nga lang niya maubos. Hindi pa siya ubos, pero mabilis siya parang mabilis mo siya ma-consume. Consume. Okay. Hello, people! Punta kami sa Kohl's. Kain ako nito, guys, kasi wala pa akong breakfast, coffee lang ako. Tapos hindi na kami kakain kasi magla-lunch nga kami sa Hills, 'di ba? Hindi yung exact na lugar na pupuntahan, pero doon banda, doon kami kinasal ni Dan. That's where we got married. Or are we still going there, Sterling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might suggest the wine area when we pick up Tony and Lara.
Yeah. Kasi sabi ni Dan, magandang weather para winery ba? Kasi hindi umuulan. Hala, yung buhok ko parang kulot. Hindi ko naman siya rinulot. Nagbini ako, guys. I think I got this beanie from actually nakalimutan ko na. Forever 21?
We can go to Sterling for lunch and then go to winery afterwards.
Yeah, we can do that.
Sterling will have better food than a winery. Yeah.
What food do they have there?
Pub food. Like good pub food. They got pork belly.
Oh, shoot. Pork belly, I'm hungry already,
Because you didn't eat.
I didn't eat.
You skipped meals. I ate all the meals. You skipped meals.
You don't eat. Yes, babe, okay? You eat all the meals. That's why there's nothing left for me.
Heaps of stuff left.
No, I'm sick of your avocado, toast avocado.
That is delicious.
It's good, but I can't have it every weekend.
Yeah.
I prefer a chippy. Oh, do we have a voucher for Sterling?
Nah.
No? Tipid tips. Bumibili kami ng guys, nung entertainment book. Do you have it here?
Nope.
Ano siya? How much is it now? For $70?
Yeah.
$70, and then sobrang dami niyang vouchers, guys, as in sobrang dami. Like, makapal siya na book, ha? Mas makapal pa dito sa diary ni Dan. Mas makapal pa, right? Thicker than this. So the book is it's actually really good value. It's for the whole South Australia. Pero basta ginagamit namin siya, guys. Kung pupunta kami ng restaurant, check namin if merong voucher dun sa entertainment book. Kasi most of the time they give you 25% off.
Or buy one get one free.
Or buy one get one free. And Tower Hotel, meron silang voucher sa Tower Hotel, yung malapit lang sa amin, lagi kami dun. Tower Hotel, is it buy one get one free for Tower Hotel?
25%.
25%. Basta meron sila 25%, 50% off. And like siguro kasi kumakain kami sa labas at least once a week. So, kapag merong voucher dun, makakasave ka na, diba? Lalo na kapag buy one get one free. So, isang meal lang yung binabayaran mo. So, minsan nga mas okay pa siya kaysa magluto sa loob ng bahay kasi obviously you're cooking for 2 people, tapos kapag meron ka ng voucher tapos buy one get one free, you're paying for just one. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung entertainment book. Yun yung wala pa ako sa buhay na Dan, bumibili na siya ng ganun kasi gusto niya yung mga voucher eh.
Money saving advice.
Money saving advice. It does save you money. Because like people eat out all the time. And it's not just that. Meron silang mga voucher for Chemist Warehouse. So nung pumunta kami ni Dan sa nung umuwi kami last year, bumili ako ng maraming popo. If you reach like $50, you'll get 10% off, was it? Or $10 off?
$10.
$10 off, diba? Bongga na yun. As in, wala nga lang silang voucher sa Kmart. Do they have a Kmart voucher? I don't think so. I can't shop anyway, so at least for this month. I will actually do my best to stretch it, babe. To
You don't need anything.
I don't. That's what I was thinking as well. I actually told these people.
For the sake of spending money.
Yeah, no, that's right. Because I'm thinking we'll go to Melbourne and I want to shop in Melbourne, but if I keep shopping now, I will run out of stuff to shop.
Yeah.
So I will extend it until we get to Melbourne.
Yeah.
Kaya naman guys. Kaya naman na hindi mag-shopping talaga. Another tipid tip. Iban nyo yung sarili nyo. Iban nyo yung sarili nyo. Bananas para sa kanyang smoothie. Which one?
I need 5.
5? Ito, 6. 5. Ito, 5. Here, perfect, 5.
It'll be green. That'll be right.
That's fine. This one's yellow, so you can use this tomorrow and the rest will be ripe enough. There you go. Berries. Ala, oh, fail. Oh, tok. Patay na. Yan lang? Is that it? Sabi niya gusto niya daw bumili ng pang dinner. One night. Dumplings?
Yeah.
No, we got pork buns. We got pork buns yesterday, remember?
Dumplings are good as well though, to have with it.
Sige. Sige, it's up to you. Get dumplings. Do you want vegetable gyoza? Naka 30% off yung mga mga Mr. Chen's prawns. Yun. That's enough. What did you say?
That and steamed buns.
Steam buns? Tapos na kami guys. Mabilis lang kasi konti lang yung binili namin. Hala, nagbaon pa pala ako ng utap. May 2 utap dito. Gutom lang. Okay. Mag-haul na ako dito sa sasakyan. Haul na agad-agad. Konti lang din naman kasi. Bumili kami ng saging. Nakita nyo na kanina. At saka yung mixed berries ni Dan. Yung frozen mixed berries. And then binili din namin to mussel. Ito guys. Ano na siya guys? Cooked na siya. Kailangan mo na lang siyang basta preparation, use a lot. I-boil mo na lang siya. Pero flavored na siya, flavored. Hindi pa siguro siya completely cooked, pero flavored na siya. Ito $6 lang to. Tapos masarap na kaya to. So bumili kami ng 2 kasi yung isa maliit lang eh. And then we got 2 din ito ng steamed prawn roll. Yan. Para kapag tinatamad mag-dinner, meron kaming pang dinner. Lagi namin nakakalimutan magdala ng plastic. So lagi kami nagbabayad. Plastic, itong bag is how many cents this one is?
15.
15 cents. That's fine. 15 cents. Ginagamit din kasi namin to basura. Ginagamit namin pang ng bin. Uwi kami ng bahay. And kakain ng yogurt. Bahay na ulit kami guys. Meron kaming 30 minutes kasi 12. Susundain namin si Lyra at saka si Tony. Isang sasakyan lang yung gagamitin namin. Kain ako ng yogurt. Pinadalhan kami ng what's the name of this yogurt place?
Yogurt shop.
Yogurt shop. Pinadala kami ng yogurt shop na maraming yogurt. Thank you, yogurt shop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Taga-anim yung laman. Pumili sila ng dalawang flavors. So,
What flavor do you
Dancho.
want?
I want to try the caramel crumble. Yeah. This one. So good. Hindi ko pa na-try actually. What did you try? What did you try yesterday?
That is.
Huh?
That.
This? Akin to. This is mine.
No.
You chose honeycomb. Yan. And he chose this flavor as well. Ito. Fruit nut. Yung akin is yung honey, yung pinili ko is caramel crumble at saka Italian espresso. Actually, I'll have Italian espresso. Yum. So, Italian espresso. Yan, yogurt chop.
Show them the boxes you got.
I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Masarap to guys, yung cappuccino, Italian cappuccino, yung kay Dan Honeycomb. Inano pa niya, mix. Masarap to. Kain. Lalo na kapag mahilig kayo sa coffee. Yummers. Ito pala yung sinasabi kong entertainment book kanina guys. Pero nakabili na kami nung bago, yung 2018-2019. Kasi ito 2017-2018 eh. Ang tignan nyo, di ba ang kapal? Ang daming vouchers dito guys from fast food, as in lahat. Para akong sponsored ng entertainment book. See? Ito, Oporto, ang dami. The Coffee Club. So, kahit ano. Meron ding mga yung mga, ano ba yun? Bounce, zoo, mga ganun. Meron din. Ano ba? Ayun, nakita ko. Sports Power, yung mga ganyan. Ang daming vouchers, oh. As in. Meron ding mga discount sa mga social na mga lugar. See? Mga ganyan. Amaro. Nung nagpunta kami sa Kangaroo Island, naka-discount din kami doon kasi yung ferry, meron din dito sa entertainment book. How much did we save, babe, when we went to Kangaroo Island? Just for the ferry? $50?
Yeah.
Yeah, and mahal kaya, lalo na kapag dinala mo yung sasakyan mo. I think sasakyan itself, how much did we pay for the car?
What car?
Our car.
Get on the thing.
Yeah.
The car was $100.
$100? Tapos how much us?
150 together.
Yeah. So, 150 yung pamasahe namin dalawa. Tapos yung car, $100. So, lang mag-isa. So, diba? Tapos may $50 sa voucher sa entertainment book. So, nakasave kami ng $50. And yung entertainment book, $70. So, yun. We got our money back na. Dun lang. Anyway, kain tayo yogurt. Wow.
Yeah, it's good timing.
Yay!
Come back up during the year, during the week when it's sunny, right? And get some. Yeah. It
Wow!
looks so much better in the sun.
Dito na si Lyra, guys. Si Tony, vlogger. Si Danny, driver.
It's not on the record
Ganda,
yet.
guys. Ganda, oh.
Ayun din ang puno-puno ka na sa ilalim ko. Nagpa-picture ka na.
Oo nga eh. Gusto ko nga ng picture na ganyan. Wala pa akong picture na kulay-kulay. Guys, nandito kami sa Sterling Hotel. Dito pala yung reception namin ni Dan sa kasal namin.
Dito naman yung favorite namin na restaurant.
Oo, dito din yung favorite restaurant nila. Maganda dito actually.
Parang tutyang-tutyang.
Yun yung hinire namin doon na area. Oh.
What do you feel like drinking, Danny?
Hi! Dito na yung drinks namin, guys. Yung boys, nandun pa sa nakapila pa kasi mahaba doon yung pila ng pag-order ng food. Pero I have my lemon bitters. Sila, umorder sila ng red wine. Yan yung wine namin nung wedding namin ng Dan. Wira Church Block. Masarap daw yan. Ang ganda ng namin, table. Nasa kami, high table. Tapos meron pa siyang pa-lights. Oh. Maganda dito, guys. Tapos sa likod ni Lyra may mga wine. Doon. Oo, babe, look. The wine.
What's that?
You can, I think, pay via credit card and then get some wine there.
Oh, really?
I think so, I don't know.
We can have a fork.
Bacon cheeseburger. Sarap. Si Tony same bacon cheeseburger. Kay Lyra, salmon miso something. Miso yan. Kain guys. Yung akin, walay. Nga. Nga.
Are you diet?
Nga. Walang pagkain. Nandito na yung akin guys. Sunod naman siya agad-agad. So okay lang ako.
Hindi naman pala sanay.
Pork belly, crispy pork belly sandwich. Hindi ko yan mauubos lang. After, ito din, yung sa'yo din, malaki din.
Charge you as the time I need to read.
Ay naku, okay na ako sa fries. Nabusog naman ako, nakita ko lang yan. Yan, maganda. Pero ano, nasa labas kami guys. Iniwan namin yung boys. Hi, doggy! Ang cute naman ng doggy. Ang cute nila, day. Cute naman nila. Sige, lakad tayo. Mag-OTD kami guys. Lakad kami doon. Ayan, autumn. Ang ganda. Hala, di, ang ganda nito, day. Wait. Ignorante. Upo tayo dito. Kaya naman, daming tao. Picture kami dito guys. Hinintay namin dumaan si na kuya. Picturean ko si Lyra. Ang ganda ng picture niya sa akin. Dito.
Ano ko din?
Sige, i-vlog mo. Vlog pa more, vlogger life.
Vlogger life.
Sige na, wala na tao. Ay, baka may may papunta. May papunta. Sila kuya, papunta. Tapos na kami dyan, guys.
Diyan kami na baliw-baliw.
May paano kami dyan? May ano? Sakit yan mo?
Saka doon siya matawa eh.
Okay. Wala, tsaka yung tray. Patay. Walang dahon.
Gusto yung dahon.
Ulo dun, ang bright, oh.
Sabi ko sa'yo doon pa yung
Yung red. Mag-blend sa outfit mo. Ito yellow na ano.
Yan din yung
Dahon.
nag-blend sa outfit ko. Sa'yo yun magbe-blend.
Oo, kasi sobrang red. Ito yung yellow, hindi mag-blend sa outfit natin. Kaya lang ang dami namang ano. May Australia Post. Ayan yung akin zoom, naka-zoom. Wait, asan yung phone ko?
Dapat ba naman ano tayo ng boomerang? Mag-boomerang ka rin, ganun tayo.
Si ate, picture siya. Tulungan kaya natin si ate. Picture natin siya. Picture lang siya ng mga ano, leaves. Ay, na-picture na? Ayan, close na sila. Best friend kayo? Pinaupo mo talaga sa chair. Best friend. Photographer. Guys, change location. Nandito kami sa Maximilians. Actually, nagpunta kami dito na noon. Ano yan? Pico. Oo. Ewan ko. Nagpunta kami dito na noon. Naghahanap kami ng venue ng wedding namin. So, isa to sa mga choices. Pero nandito na kami ulit. I think, why? Mga lasing sila, guys. Designated driver tayo ngayon. Dito na kami, guys. Maraming mga tao. Inom-inom sila. Nakikisali lang kami. Dito kami malapit sa fire kasi ang lamig. Ano ba tong chair ko, eh? Baka masunog yung ano mo, shoes mo. Merong si ate doon, happy na siya. Umuwi na siya. Pwede kayong mag-golf doon, guys. Tapos kapag naano mo siya, yung nalagay mo siya doon sa hole, $1,000. Oh, may nanalo na kanina. Dito pa rin kami. Kasi may costume party kami ate nan. Kaloka to.
I could go as a
Hanap
dwarf
sila.
and I could go as Snow White.
Yeah, yours na. Just go as a king and then I can be a dwarf.
Nah.
Dwarf daw ako, guys.
Come here.
Tony is
Tony, I
Shrek.
could see that. That'd be funny. The green face paint and we get the
Sige
ears
na,
that poke
Tony.
out. That'd be hilarious. I could see Tony in that, do you reckon?
Yeah.
And I could
then
see Lyra
Lyra
in that
is-
sort of dress.
Yeah.
And you got the long hair. Lyra's got the long hair already. So,
Okay. Shrek. That's it,
Tony
Tony
Shrek.
or Shrek.
Shrek and Fiona.
May napunta kami dito, guys, noon. Dito, kasi tinignan namin yung wedding reception nila. My gosh, ang lamig. Oh, ang cute. Naalala ko, nag-selfie pa kami nila dito. Sige, go. Pakasal kayo na, Tony. Hoy, Lyra, you have to walk down the aisle. Dito.
I want to be the priest.
Buang Jud.
I'm going to walk it now.
Sige. Saday.
Come on, hurry up.
She will walk down the aisle. Buang. Teng, teng, teng. Teng, teng, teng.
Cry.
Cry! Buang.
We're gathered here today for the beautiful wedding of Tony and Laura.
Mga
You,
lasing.
Tony, take Laura to be your lawful wedded wife.
I do.
No kiss yet. Not yet.
Laura, do you take Tony to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
For richer or poorer, to death do us part.
Hang on.
I
I
Man and wife.
I do.
You make people bride.
Yay! That's actually a good
I said kiss.
kiss, not make babies.
Holy place, Tony. I'm sorry.
This is good. Right? Ganda dito. Oh, ang ganda. Nice.
There's already a divorce happening in 10 seconds.
Walang kwenta. Isip mga lasing.
Lasing. Uwi na tayo. Ano, dalawa na sa mga lasing. Guys,
We can't do the week.
dito na naman kami sa bahay niya.
I'm just gonna have to.
Mag-ano kami guys, sweet and sour pork. Hindi inaasahan. Ihatid lang sana namin siya. Sila, sabi nito ni, stop kayo, coffee tea. Pero dinner. Coffee or tea daw, pero dinner na naman to. And crispy fry. Okay, sige, kain tayo. Luto tayo. Luto na guys. Dali lang. Di naman napakita yung proseso, pero luto na siya. Yummers na siya. Kain. Thank you, Day. Nakikain na naman. Yeah.
Ano talaga pagkapit bahay?
Tapos nilipat na sila. Iwan ko sa iyo. Nang iiwan. Guys, bahay na kami. Nakapag-skincare na rin ako. Tatabunan ko yung lights para makita na mayroon talagang buhok yung brows ko. Kasi kapag ganyan kalbo. May buhok naman siya. Buang. Anyway, nakapag-skincare na ako guys. Nag-spray lang ako na to. After ko tinanggal yung makeup ko, nag-spray ako nitong High G All-in-One Mist. Sobrang ganda nito. Anyway, natutulog na kami guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night.